And this line, what we can see from the center. If this one is a center, then this is the line drawn to the circumference. Now let me show you another demonstration. Circle about its various terminology or terms. Here, this much part of the circle, it is known as a quadrant, or you can say sector. And this line, what you can see from the center. If this one is a center, then this is the line drawn to the circumference. This circular boundary is the circumference. A line drawn from the center of a circle to any point of the circumference is known as radius. And diameter how much? When the radius gets double. Now the radius from the center it gets double. This is the diameter. It is the center. We have already marked this one is the center. From here to here radius. Double. When this radius is twice, 2 times, then it is known as diameter. Once again, when we make it half of diameter is the radius. This one radius, this one also radius. And this red part, it is known as sector of a circle. No problem, you can make it little more short, even then it is a sector. Sector is, you can just think like a cake, piece of cake is the sector. And here, when you make it half, then this blue part, it is the semicircle, red part also semicircle. This part is semicircle and this part also semicircle. Half of the circle. Both the halves unite or combine together to make a full circle. And this diameter is the longest chord of a circle. If you draw on a line like this way, if in a circle, this one is center, we know the longest chord is the diameter. If you draw another line segment between any two points of a circle, then this line is known as chord. AB is a chord. And this much part is the segment. From here to a radius, from this complete is diameter. This one radius, this one center. From this center, another radius if you draw, then this much part is the sector. Clear now?